So can you hear how it's not lining up? It's slightly behind, like by a fraction. And if you look at the actual waveform, you can see it. Make this big real quick. Zoom over a little. So here's where I started. See how it floated? You don't remember hearing that. I mean, you heard me record it. So what we need to do is we need to shorten this and then drag it so that we see most of the notes hitting on time. That is a problem with BandLab. And so one of the things that I see as I look along, yeah. Okay, let's see how this sounds. So that is an example of how the BandLab will float your music away without you knowing it, and that's how to fix it. Okay, that is a big deal. A lot of people struggle with that with BandLab, and they go like, I recorded it perfectly, but it won't put it in time. Oh, and then they like cry themselves to sleep in the fetal position and all that. It's easier than you think. There's also like a settings where it was like, it'll do like a latency test, which will actually allow your computer to figure out how slow things are and the clock speed of your computer. It's very technical stuff. You can do it. I found some success with it. I haven't actually done it on this computer, which is maybe why it's happening. You can certainly try it. It's not going to hurt anything. And that's it. Okay. Good luck.